Press the letters to spell huge.
Are you eating the toe? Are you eating the toe? You're getting your little teeth, little miss. Are you loving the puppy? Can you give the puppy kisses? Can you give the puppy kisses? Good girl. Give kisses on the foot? Or the hand? Give kisses on the toes? You got some wild brat hair, kiddo. More. Give kisses.
Goodbye.
If you're stuck, you gotta pull up. Ready? Let me see your hand. Let me see your hand, Puttin. There. You don't need the boppy. You can sit up all by yourself. Okay. Wanna play with the computer? Now turn it on. There you go.
Hi, kids. Welcome to Alphabet Town. Come on. Let's learn to spell some words.